Hi, Dr. Pelto here. I had a question that a patient asked me recently. What is the next step if the patient presents a granuloma that pops out after draining the pus? Let me explain what this is. I want to explain about ingrown toenails. I want to explain about granulomas and I'm thinking what this pop out means. So an ingrown toenail is a nail that looks like this. So it has, you can see in the edges right here, these are called granulomas or hypergranular tissue. These are caused from the nail digging into the skin and the skin having a reaction from that, almost like that thorn in the side, and it produces all this tissue here as a kind of response, a protection mechanism. So specifically, if this happens, we take out the edges or we take off the whole nail and remove this granular tissue, and it's usually just fine. And then all the swelling will come down. These are ingrown toenails that have been there for many, many months with these. What this person specifically asked is, what's the next step if the patient presents a granuloma that pops out after draining the pus? Meaning, let's say we take care of the ingrown toenail, there is no granuloma, we take it out, like in this other example, take it out, and then it develops a granuloma after we already clear up the pus, which means an infection. So you clear out the infection, and then this thing happens. Well, to treat this granuloma, you have to numb up the toe again. Once again, I wouldn't do this without numbing it. And you take this off and then you put something on there. We use Lumicaine, or you can use something else to stop the bleeding. And then as long as there's no irritant, it shouldn't keep coming back, because this is usually caused by an irritation of the skin. Once again, I hope that helped you to understand a little bit more about ingrown toenails. I have a couple of other videos about ingrown toenails that'll explain everything, how you treat it, what's the best way to treat it, the difference between an ingrown toenail and a matrixectomy. If you have any questions, please put any questions underneath it, and I'll try to get around to answering it, okay, to make it a little bit better for you. Okay, once again, I hope you guys found this beneficial, and until next time. Okay, thanks.